Hey guys, so it's finally the 25th of December, which is Christmas, which was basically the time where Jesus was born, and also a time for giving as well. So it's been a long time since I actually cut my hair, so I just went for a haircut 2 days ago. This time I actually didn't have the undercut, so I actually have a short fade, so when it grows out, it'll grow out this way and not like just spiking up. And yeah, and as you could tell, I actually chopped this part away, so there's no more undercut anymore for me. So yeah, anyways, today's video would be about December haul. So these are a few things that I actually got for this December. So one thing about me is that I really love doing reviews, especially on accessories and all. So, and especially some of you guys have also requested videos like this. So yep, here's a video about it. So yeah, without further ado, let's begin. So first, starting off with this neon pink shirt. This is the back. It says here Outward Bound Singapore. Basically, I attended the course. So yep, this is a souvenir. So yeah, I actually have a few photos of this, of me wearing this shirt. I have another green one right here, which is unopened. I don't know why I did not use the neon green one. So instead I use the neon pink. So yeah, so neon pink is cool. So yeah, so next, I actually did a review on this already. I got this in December. So this is basically a Kanken bag. It doesn't come with the badge though. The badge is, I got it from a church event. So I have two other badges as well. It's just that I didn't want to put everything on it. So yeah, so basically my favorite color, maroon, right here. So, and blue, and yeah, so I really think that this color really suits me. So yeah, it really suits my style, and you know, it's not too bright. So yeah, no, it's cool. Okay, so let's start with the stuff I got from Cotton On right here. I got a basic white tee right here. It's called a scoop. So if you guys don't know, so it's basically an oversized tee. So I'll be actually taking a few pictures of me wearing this next week with my friends, Darren. So we'll be heading to different places of Singapore, and you'll see me wearing this or the black one, which I'm going to show you right now. Right here. So this is the black one, the black shirt right here. So it's a small, so as you can tell by the little S sticker right here. So it's a sticker, so you can just take it out. So if you guys don't know, this is actually the name of the product. Not forgetting this, I also got a cuffed chino right here. So yeah, it's pretty big, so let me just show you guys. So as you can tell, the cuffs are right here. So yeah, cuff chinos. So I got this for $39.95, and yep, that's it for the Cotton On thing. Moving on to shoes. These are my Converse. I actually got my school shoes for next year. So yep, so it's pretty basic school shoes. So if you guys are actually looking for a shoe that is white in color, it doesn't have to be for school, you know. You can actually use it for outerwear as well. Yep, it has cushion at the back, which really gets your ankle going. So yeah, so it's not really too painful at the back. That's one of them, and here is the other one. So yeah, I do not know why I had my hands crossed. So yep, here are the Converse shoes. So yep, these are my shoes for next year, so I won't plan on using them. Finally, so the stuff that I got from H&M, I didn't get any clothes at all. I just got shoes, socks, and yeah, if you do not include those shirts from Cotton On, then yeah, I got 4 pairs of black socks right here. You guys might be wondering why I actually get black socks. Now the main reason to getting these is actually because I'm actually planning to have monochrome black look, so you guys will be expecting something like that on my Instagram. And last but not least, I got these shoes right here. So these are from H&M as well. So there's actually a sale going on right now at the time I'm filming this. So yep, you could probably tell why I got it. This is the original price and this is the discounted price. So yeah, if you guys are looking for shoes like these, especially those high cut ones like these, go for these, man. These are really cool. I mean, if you're not looking into something that is just plain and minimal, I suggest going to shops like Nike or Adidas to actually look for shoes that actually have designs on them. But these shoes I'm going to wear out, especially during photo shoots. So yeah, I think these are pretty cool too. So yeah, that pretty much sums up my December haul. I know it's a pretty short haul, but you know, because I didn't really get much things, especially now during this period. I'm actually saving money for next year, and it's pretty much it. So yeah guys, happy holidays, wish you a Merry Christmas. It's just one more week to school, so yeah, enjoy the rest of your holidays and Merry Christmas. God bless. Peace.